In front of me is TCL 305i, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by clicking on Gallery app and selecting photos or folders at the bottom. Either way, after locating your files that you wish to delete, hold one of them. And to select multiple right away, use those three dots at the top right corner. Then click on Select All at the top. To keep some of your photos or videos, tap on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, use this bin at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!